Now I'm going to build an AND gate from the NAND gate we just built. So what I did is I just duplicated all the three files. There's a symbol file. The symbol file is here, is a schematic file, and also the simulation file. And duplicate it into these three files. And I'll rename it as AND. And this one as well, name it as AND. And same to this one. Let's keep the same there because it's a simulation file. And now let's change the schematic so it's doing a different logic job. First, let's delete this output. You have to move it to the right hand side. And now we need an inverter inside. So let's copy a PMOS and copy an NMOS to form an inverter. And I have 3 to make the connection. And this is the input of the inverter. You have to short the input of the NMOS and PMOS. And this is here's the output, right, of the NAND gate. So NAND gate is being inverted. And this is the same signal, just share the same power supply and also the same ground. And I have to keep this one shorted to the ground for the NMOS and this one shorted to the top of the PMOS. And now this becomes VOUT, and VOUT is output pin, which is the middle pin of the 2 transistors. And that's it. It's very simple. And now let's come back to this AND gate symbol, and we just need to make a very simple change, which is just to delete that little circle here, and then I'm going to move this to here, and now it's become an AND gate. All right, and now let's come back to the simulation, and you don't have to change a lot of things in here. We will just delete the middle component and press F2 and come back to here. So I'm getting an AND gate. This is the one I just built, and then put it here. But you just find out that this is not aligned to the line anymore. Just move it to the left hand side, and now everything is aligned and connected. And you don't even need to change the signals. Then let's just run the simulation really quick. Okay, I'm gonna probe VA, VB, and VOUT, and now let's see if this is a AND logic. This is VA, VB, and this is 6 volts, and this is 6 volts as well, so you can see the pulses. And you can see that only the A and B are both 1s, you got a 1, otherwise they are 0.